right. Look, man. Let me be honest with you. One thing about money, man, if you allow it to get into your head, it's gonna make you do a lot of mistakes. That's number one. Number two, the minute you get pressure from money, it makes you be impulsive. It makes you are. So normally, what I normally like saying is that the best way to test if you can control money is when you have it. That's when you would see if you can be humble with it, or you'll be like you want to show off and stuff like that and whatever. That's why I just keep it on the low, because sometimes, man, if you can look at it, um, not everybody has the same targets. You get what I'm saying? Not everybody
Yeah.
has the same targets. Some people might be trading for a lifestyle or trading for the certain type tip. Some of us are trading to own businesses. Some of us are training to make our dreams come true and stuff like that. So for my sake, I had my fair share, man, of being a flexer. I think when I first blew up in 2019, yeah. I remember I got my breakthrough in 2019, December. Yeah, that was when I made my first 100K. And then I made my first M compounded, though, not all in once. Like I compounded to making 1 million. Not that I traded and once off it was 1 million. Nah, I just compounded to making 1 million. And then I made it, I think in April, if not May, because I remember from my breakthrough, the first month I made 300K in overall for a month out of trading. Secondly, I made above that, and so it compounded to 1 million. That's when I got a call to get my private client card. And then from that point, obviously, man, it gets to your head. It's based off like experience. You get tempted off a lot of ladies, right? Obviously, I'm gonna be chilling with the beautifulest ladies in the whole world, flexing that I'm doing this. I did that part. I did. If you can look at my Instagram reels, you'll see that I had that life. But then as you grow up, man, you end up understanding that this is not it. Am I trading to show off? Am I trading to show that I have, or can I still be myself even after I make money? Do you get what I'm saying? So for my type tip, it's been that thing that, okay, as I'm a trader, my name is Andile, and as I've been Andile, I've been living like just normal drip dressing, you know what I'm saying? Like I love dripping, I love Mercedes cars, I had a version of this, I had a version of that and whatever. So the minute you tap inside the money status, a lot of people's mindset changes because they now switch from being themselves to being what people need to see them as. Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay.
To switch from who they are to what people need to see them as. That's why you'll get some people wearing some Gucci shit, some LV shit, and then when you look at it, man, it's sassy, man. There's something there now because of pressure. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because of pressure.
Yeah.
You see, a lot, man. There's a lot because of pressure. But then I ask myself, yes, obviously, I'll have one thing or two based off Gucci. But at the same time, what is my style? For me, designer clothes don't do it for me. I won't lie. They're not on my kind of style I dress. I'm not that type of person to wear flat shoes, to wear like jeans with a lot of glitters and decorations, shirts that look like they've been drawn 1,000 times. Nah, me, I love simple, normal t-shirts with just a simple branding. I love my Air Forces big time. I love my Air Forces big time. Not even close. And jeans normal. So yeah, for sure.
You remember, dog? I used to be on your DMs.
Yeah, for sure.
Has been crazy, man, on how things changed, man. Guys, are you on Andile's DMs, texting him, yo, bro, what strategy you using? Like, I've seen fxgoat from nothing to something, and like that was power to me, man. Cause Stacey, I used to text this nigga, and for what he
I remember, man.
for what he has right now, he knows. Like, I texted him a lot of time. Hey, yo, brother, what's up? I'm good. Hey, man, I like
so actually, Stacey, you know what happened with me and Manando?
Yeah.
Manando used to look up to me. That's why right now, when people confuse me to have learned to Manando or Manando to have learned on me.
Oh yeah.
Because
Yeah.
we kind of have some certain type of similarity when it comes to a strategy, how we approach the market. So people just be like, But this man, Manando and Andile trade the same way, and I was like, it's just it. But Manando, I also won't lie, man. I didn't know Stacey, right? Yo, but when we met in Cape Town, this woman fucking flipped a 30-something USD account to 1,000 something in a space of when we left in the cruise and when we came back from the cruise. Bro, it was doubled already. That's when I was like, what the fuck?
I know, man. Let's not talk about that. It's about you now. It's not about me. It's about you now. But yeah, hey, that one we were sick, guys. When I was shaking my ass on the yacht, I was sick. I remember I found Andile sleeping right there. And I was like, I don't feel too good. And Andile was just like, let's go.
I won't lie. A yacht feeling is not nice, man. A yacht is not nice. I don't want to do that no more.
Yeah. I'm not doing it no more as well. Sorry about that, man.
If we were to give an award of best 2020 influencers traders, it will go to fxgoat, no cap.
Yeah, 2021. Yeah.
Like 2021, guys, you had everyone on the game. It's just that some niggas can't confess, you know, because the truth sometimes it might hurt a little bit. But then you guys have been running the game, and I see fxgoat is growing, man. I see Letabo, they're coming, man. Our figures coming big in the game. Shout out for that.
One thing as fxgoat, that's our basic rule, is that I can't be at the top alone, man. Me being at the top alone doesn't make sense. I need to pull the people with me to the top so that we can all eat. You get what I'm saying? So it's pointless for you to eat while nobody eats from you. So it kind of like doesn't make sense. So that's one of our basic rule. We after reaching the top, you give another person the stairs to climb as well. But in a nutshell, to be honest with you, I recently learned if there's a person I look up to is Mark Hutchison, right? If you can look at Mark Hutchison, Mark fucking wealthy.
You know,
that's doesn't even brag about it.
That's the brother.
He wears a black t-shirt, normal what is this? Normal trousers, normal shoes, but fucking has a big mansion, fucking owns big cars. Bro, that nigga, that's the humbleness I want to reach. Have you seen, for an example, like Elon Musk, like Jeff Bezos? Yeah. Those niggas, you'll never see them brag. You'll never see them wearing 1,000 chains. Nah.
Do you know that but drives a normal car, wears normal clothes? He looks crazy sometimes.
But then, guys,
Mark
is the best. Only black t-shirt, simple life. That nigga's
simple,
rich.
Man. Like,